it's Dr. Danielle Richardson from Fierce Clarity, and today I'm going to show you some yoga you can do while you work from home. We'll bring the ear to the shoulder, chin to the chest, opposite ear, opposite shoulder, as we come into some gentle neck rolls here. Now, as we do these neck rolls, maybe you notice your weight is sitting a little bit forward in your chair, so go ahead and rock the weight back so your shoulder blades are right over your rib cage, which are right over the hips. Beautiful. Let's switch directions. Beautiful job. We'll release in center. Go ahead and open the eyes. We take an inhale, let the arms come out wide. Exhale, we again interlace, the palms come forward. Inhale, bring the arms up. Exhale, release them down and out. Inhale together and up. Exhale down, exhale out. Two more. Inhale together, up. Keep those shoulders relaxed just like earlier. Exhale down and out. Last one, you guys. Inhale together and up. Relax those shoulders. Exhale down and out. Beautiful. And shake it out just a little bit. Next, we'll bring the arms up on an inhale, gaze to thumbs. Exhale, we'll find a spinal twist. Inhale brings the arms up. Exhale, we twist. So this is something you can do at any point during the day. You don't have to limit this to a designated yoga time. And if you have any coworkers that are running around, you can let them join you. Inhale brings the arms up. Exhale, twist. Inhale up. And exhale, twist. Beautiful. We'll inhale, bring the arms up. Bring the wrists to the top of the thighs, palms facing up. And we'll take a moment here and I want you to squeeze the hands together like this. So maybe this feels a little bit crazy. We spend all day texting and typing. So starting to send some energy into the small muscles and bones of the hand. You can create a little bit of aliveness here. We'll go ahead and interlace the fingers together here and we'll come into wrist stretches next. So we'll just kind of move the wrists here to and fro. I always say if you grew up in the 90s or the 2000s, you may remember this, which is actually a really nice wrist stretch. So you can do the wave or you can just do some nice normal wrist stretches. It's up to you. Beautiful job. One more big breath here. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. We have one last seated stretch for the neck and shoulders. So we'll go ahead and inhale, extend the arms long. Exhale, bring the right arm below, left arm on top, so we're giving ourselves a hug. Now, instead of our elbows collapsing here, we're gonna elevate the elbows so they're parallel to the ground. Take an inhale, let the chin rise to the sky. Exhale, bring the chin to the chest, lift the elbows. Beautiful. So just find a few deep breaths here. Allow yourself a moment of stillness as you release the tension in your neck and shoulders. Take an inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Two more breaths here. Beautiful job. Take an inhale, let the chin come back to neutral. Exhale, release the arms. We'll switch this time, opposite arm on top. Same exact thing. We're not collapsing the elbows here. We're bringing them parallel to the ground. Inhale to lift the chin. Exhale, chin comes to chest, elbows lift just a bit higher. Beautiful job. Last breath here. Big deep inhale and exhale. gently release. Let the arms come wide, then come up. Give yourself a nice stretch. Maybe interlace one more time. Shift from side to side. Roll it out. Go ahead and bring the tops of the palms to the knees. Feet flat on the ground. Relax the shoulders away from the ears. Close the eyes and just focus on your breath. So this class has two parts, a seated and a standing. If you just want to chill out today, go ahead and stick to the seated part of class and stop the video right here. If you're ready for a stretch, go ahead and get up and moving, leave your workstation, and meet me on your yoga mat or on a clear area in your workspace. So our first standing yoga pose is one of my favorite ways to move stress and tension through the body. So to set up, we'll bring the hips a little bit wider than hips width apart. We'll take an inhale, arms come up, gaze to thumbs. Exhale, fold forward, hinge at the waist, bend the knees as much as you need to. Inhale brings you up, gaze to thumbs. Exhale, fold forward, hinge at the waist, bend the knees. So especially if you've been sitting for a while, you'll notice that it feels more comfortable to bend the knees because your hamstrings and low back are really tight. So go ahead and move in a way that feels good for you. Explore your range of motion, but we want to feel a nice stretch. No pain or no severe discomfort. Inhale brings you up, gaze to thumbs. Exhale, fold forward, hinge at the waist. Once more, inhale up. Exhale, fold forward. We'll all release the hands to the mat and slowly roll up, vertebrae by vertebrae. Another yoga pose that's really beneficial after you've been working from home all day is a balancing pose. So what we'll do is we'll all bring the weight to the standing leg and we'll interlace the fingers under the knee. Now in this balancing pose, I want you to engage the core. Let the crown, the back of the skull be right over the shoulders, which are right over the hips, which are over the knees, which are over the ankle. So you kind of have to activate a lot of muscles here. And you'll notice depending on your low back tightness, this may feel comfortable, this may feel easy, or it may feel a little bit challenging. Again, we're just trying to work the muscles up a little bit so we can exhale and release everything we need to. Flex the foot, take one more inhale, and exhale, gently release. Same thing, other leg, we shift the weight and interlace the fingers under the knee, relaxing the shoulders away from the ears, growing tall through the crown of the head. Focus on nice deep inhales here and nice deep exhales. Beautiful job. One more big deep breath and exhale, gently release. Next up, we'll take things down to the mat. We'll meet in all fours, and I want you to spread wide into the hands. So giving the mat a high five, pressing the palms into the mat, the tops of the fingers. Hips are stacked right over the knees, tops of the feet are pressing into the mat. We'll shift the hips left and right, bring the chin to chest, to the sky, as we move into a little bit of intuitive movement. So particularly after sitting all day, you'll notice that maybe one hip feels tighter than the other. Maybe your spinal mobility feels a bit limited. That's all okay. But the beauty of intuitive movement is your body typically knows exactly what it needs. So let go of judgment about what yoga is supposed to look like and just simply close your eyes and move your body in a way that feels good. Beautiful, we'll pause in the center here. Frame the foot. Next, we'll gently rock the weight forwards and backwards. So this is one of my most favorite hamstring stretches because as we move, the range of motion improves. So if you have any knee issues or any knee sensitivity, you want to make sure that front knee is not going beyond the ankle. If you don't have any problems with knee pain or soreness or tenderness, you can explore extending a little bit more forward. Let the inhale bring you forward. Exhale takes you back. Inhale forward. exhale back. Last time, inhale brings you forward. This time we exhale, flex the foot, walk the hands out just a bit further, and bring the chin to the chest. So we're coming into a hamstring stretch here, and depending on how tight things are, this may feel really intense. I want you to use your exhale, so exhale through the mouth as you need to as we release that tension that we're feeling. Take a nice big inhale through the nose. Everybody exhale through the mouth. One more breath, inhale here. Exhale, go ahead and bring that foot forward one last time. Both knees meet, and we shake it out just a little bit here in all fours. Beautiful, let's do the same thing, other leg. Again, we let that inhale bring us forward. Exhale brings us back. Now you don't have to flex the foot as you come back, but I really like to do that because it gives an additional hamstring stretch. So I find it feels really good at the end of the day to just rock forwards and backwards. Think about the joys of sitting on your computer all day. Beautiful, let's have one more rock forward, inhale. Exhale, let the weight come back, toes to the nose, chin to the chest, walk the hands out just a bit. Again, you might feel a level of intensity here. If you need to, you can always walk the hands back to lift the chest. So you have some options. Again, we'll all take an inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. One more inhale, exhale brings us forward. Beautiful. Now, we'll bring the big toes to touch. Walk the knees out as wide as the mat. Press the hips back to the heels and walk the fingertips forward. Let your forehead rest heavy on the mat. And just take a deep breath. Remember, all you need to do yoga is your body and your breath. I hope you feel more relaxed. I hope you have released some tension. And I hope you can take a few moments to yourself to rest. Stay here as long as you need. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any new Fierce Clarity content. If you want even more Fierce Clarity yoga, go ahead and click below to join me. So don't forget, tell a friend to tell a friend and get your yoga in. Until next time, peace.